The 5-hour rule. How successful entrepreneurs learn faster than everyone else. What do Elon Musk, Oprah Winfrey, and Bill Gates all have in common? They all follow a simple yet powerful habit that separates high performers from the rest. The 5-hour rule. In this video, you'll learn what it is, why it works, and how you can use it to level up your business and your life. What is the 5-hour rule? The 5-hour rule is simple. You dedicate 1 hour a day, 5 days a week to deliberate learning. That's it. It could be reading books, taking online courses, reflecting, or even practicing a new skill. The key is that the time is intentional and focused, not passive scrolling or multitasking. Over time, that's 260 hours a year. Imagine what you could learn in that time if you were consistent. Why it works. Most people stop actively learning after school. But the most successful people? They never stop. Deliberate learning keeps your brain sharp, helps you adapt faster, and opens doors to new opportunities. Think of it as compound interest, but for your knowledge. And in today's fast-moving world, learning quickly is not a luxury. It's a competitive edge. Real examples. Bill Gates reads about 50 books a year. Elon Musk taught himself rocket science by reading and asking questions. Oprah credits much of her success to a lifelong love of reading. Even Mark Zuckerberg challenged himself to read a new book every 2 weeks. These aren't just quirks, they're systems. Each of them protects time for learning, just like a meeting or a workout. Because they know, learning isn't a break from success, it's the engine behind it. Here's how to start your own 5-hour rule. Schedule it. Block 1 hour a day, 5 days a week. Morning or evening. Just make it non-negotiable. Pick your medium. Books, podcasts, online courses, whatever works for you. Reflect and apply. Take notes. Journal. Teach others what you learn. Track your progress. Use a simple calendar or app to stay consistent. Protect the habit. Even on busy days, stick to it. The long-term return is huge. Remember, it's not about learning everything. It's about learning consistently. Because in business, the fastest learners are often the biggest earners. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more bite-sized business wisdom.